In the heart of Chalfont, Pennsylvania, where communities thrive and businesses flourish, Wicked Waste Incorporated is the name you can trust for efficient waste management solutions. At Wicked Waste Incorporated, we understand the importance of keeping our communities clean and green. That's why we offer reliable dumpster rental in Chalfont, Pennsylvania, tailored to meet your needs. Whether tackling a home renovation project, clearing out clutter, or managing construction debris, we have the perfect dumpster size for you. Our quality dumpsters are never an eyesore and make your cleanup project a breeze. We dispose of all unwanted items safely and responsibly, recycling as much as possible. Our dumpsters are sturdy, spacious, and delivered right to your doorstep. Plus, our hassle-free rental process makes it easy to get started. At Wicked Waste Incorporated, customer satisfaction is our priority. Just listen to what our clients say about their experience with us. So why wait? Trust our experts when you need a dumpster rental in Chalfont, Pennsylvania. Ready to rent a dumpster in Chalfont, Pennsylvania? Visit www.wickedwastepa.com dumpster rental or call 267-899-2100 today. Wicked Waste Incorporated, making waste management easy, one dumpster at a time.